Welcome to the channel, Ahilan here, and in today's video we're going to talk about shiny object syndrome. So starting out, I'm guilty of having shiny object syndrome. I tried to diversify from the get-go, and this was one of the biggest mistakes I personally made starting out with online business ventures. So I would consume a lot of content from the internet without fully implementing it in real life. Some things I did learn and I did implement, but with no success because my focus was always divided. I personally dabbled in affiliate marketing and drop shipping. So Shopify, I tried the Shopify thing. I did the 14-day trial. I wasn't successful. And again, I wasn't successful because my attention was divided. And starting out from the get-go, I know it sounds counterintuitive because I did a video on multiple streams of income, but when you're starting out from the get-go, you do not want to diversify your income stream. You want to stick to one thing in the beginning, and then once you get the hang of it, diversify. There were times I would consume a bunch of content, but ended up being overwhelmed. I had something called information analysis paralysis, and that's just a fancy way of saying I just consumed a lot of information and I just couldn't apply it to my real life because I was so overwhelmed. So my advice and the solution to this, if you are struggling with shiny object syndrome, which I believe everyone at one point has gone through this in their life with online business ventures, is you want to start out by picking one craft and stick to it until you have mastery over it. For me, I chose Kindle publishing. Ironically, after I became a successful self-publisher, I was able to find success with affiliate marketing too. I didn't bother doing Shopify because, as you know, I personally believe Shopify and any drop shipping is a low margins game. Amazon FBA is different. That's not really drop shipping. But yeah, Shopify and drop shipping in general is a very low margins game, and there's more logistics and it's more of a headache to deal with than Amazon self-publishing. So there are definitely transferable skills you can learn from one craft, you can transfer from one to another. So with Kindle publishing, contrary to what people say, there are some transferable skills that I was able to implement from Kindle publishing to affiliate marketing. So things like search engine optimization, so that's SEO, niche research, learning how to outsource, etc. So my closing thoughts are: give that one craft or business model your undivided attention first. Now, this can apply to your online businesses or just personal things or personal goals in life as well. So once you have some success and momentum and get the hang of one craft, then you can branch out to other things. There's a famous Chinese proverb that says, "He who chases two rabbits catches none." And this simply means that if you're going to chase two rabbits, you'll end up failing. You won't be successful because your attention is divided. But instead of doing that, you want to focus on that one rabbit. And then once that rabbit is caught, you can focus on the other. So that's basically, to summarize, what that proverb is saying. There's definitely a time and place to diversify your income streams. As I have advised, is diversifying your income streams and having multiple sources of income is your way and your path to financial freedom. But in the beginning, you should focus on mastery over one craft before moving on to another. That's going to be all for this video. This was more of a mindset kind of video. I know most of the videos I do are more about the mechanics and business insights. I think I'm going to, every once in a while, do a mindset video because I believe there's a duality with business, because mindset is just as important as the mechanics as well. So every once in a while, I'm going to throw in a mindset video like this one. I hope you found it insightful and helpful. If you have, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.